Hey Glampers, we're here to talk about pin boxes and what they can do for you versus against you. Hey Glampers, welcome back to the channel. We're going to talk about this pin box right here, the Morryde pin box. Our rig came with a Rhino box from Lippert, and it's just your standard box. It doesn't do anything to stop the forces that are created from the bad roads that we have. So as you're driving down the road and you get those sensations of the truck feels like it's just bouncing up and down because you went over a transition of a bridge or something, that's your pin box just transferring that energy right into the truck. So how do you stop that or mitigate it somewhat? Well, you can always go to a pin box like this. This Morryde pin box has springs loaded into it that create a force, a lateral force. They take that energy in a force back and forth, so it lessens the force going into the truck. And we noticed this right away. Now, I will say, we did not know that this would change our travel days as substantially as it did. We had no clue. But I'll tell you right now, the roads that you travel, you guys travel, we travel, are just bad. They're not good. We don't find too many good roads. We noticed this right away on our trip from Morryde to the campground. If you haven't seen that video, we'll link it up here. Those roads were so bad that we knew the difference right away, because it just took all the bounce out of our truck, made the ride as smooth as possible. So it just so happens, in our last camping trip, we forgot some stuff on the kitchen island. It was just some nuts, some food, some stuff like that. We get home and it was still sitting in the same spot on the kitchen island. Is that typical? I don't know, but it's never happened before. We've had stuff out, but it ends up on the floor, splattered open. This is how much this pin box has helped our travel day. So if you're interested in this pin box, we'll put the Morryde link below and you can check it out. All right, the second thing would be our Slideout tray. How it's changed our camping game completely. Now, first of all, let me say, I did not plan this. I did not plan to wear this shirt for this video. Didn't even know I was making this video until just a few minutes ago. But it's something I think you guys need to know. So this Slideout tray, for us to get all the heavy stuff out of our rig, it was just very painful. It was hard. It was hard work. And camping shouldn't be that hard work. So being able to just reach in, now I can access everything back here. I can access all my heavy stuff, my electrical equipment. We put our electrical cable, our 50 amp cable, on top of this. I don't have to bend over with that 60-pound cable and shove it in the hole anymore. It sits right on top of here and I can slide it right back in. So we really love this Slideout tray. If some of you are up in age like I am, you don't want to be bending over to be pulling all that heavy stuff out, I highly recommend this tray. This has been a bigger game changer to me than the pin box. I love the pin box. It does help the ride, but this helps me. We'll put a link for this down below as well. I think this runs roughly $800–900. This size, this is the 72 by 33. We went 33 inches wide. That was as wide as we could go with our storage compartment, and 72 inches long was as long as we could go with our rig. And it comes out both sides. So we can pull it out the other side. It just doesn't come out as far. So it's really made an amazing change in our camping and how we feel after setup. If you like this, please leave comments below. And happy glamping.